But Jose knows what he's doing, okay? He's here with a little bit of low back and neck pain. So we're gonna do a full body manipulation, try to get everything to feel better. We're first gonna start by using an instrument, kind of like, I don't know, Jose, what's it feel like? Almost like a jackhammer a little bit. We're just vibrating each joint to loosen the joint, so when we go to manipulate it, it goes a little easier. The whole point in getting a chiropractic adjustment is to make the body function correctly. So we're going to break up any adhesions, any dysfunctional joints, loosen up muscles so the body decompresses, takes pressure off the joint and on the nerve to allow the body to function and feel better. That's one bright red shirt, Jose.
I know.
All right, the first one we're going to do is a lumbar spinal manipulation, so lay on your side for me. So I'm going to adjust right through here, and Jose's kind of easy to adjust, so we get a lot of sound on this one. Good. Okay, on this side. Already moving there, so here we go. Good. Okay, on your back for me. Okay, the next one's a cervical adjustment. Jose responds well to it. There's a big group of my patients who don't like it, and we won't do it. We'll do muscle work and things like that on them to get them to feel better. But Jose neck adjusts easily, and it really helps him. Good. Again. Good. Come on up for me. We'll sit on the edge of the table. All right, now we're going to do an upper thoracic adjustment, a mid to lower thoracic adjustment, again to decompress this whole area. Good, one more. Good. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you message me. Have a great day.